Fuck you! No!
Look at you dumb little nerd with your sports anime. Welcome to Ratchet and Clank. A game about... Clanks.
Childhood. Yeah, this...
Specifically about your childhood.
Yes. Oh, God, it was 2000...
Did this come out in 2001?
I don't remember exactly when the PS2 came out. I knew it was in the 2000s.
Or whatever. Go, new game.
Alright, we'll go ahead and start it up.
New game.
No data. Oh, that's good
fine.
to know.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's because you only gave me the one game, so I only played that one.
The first one?
No.
Oh, Deadlocked. That's right.
Yeah. There's another one you gave me, though. Stop!
I thought I gave you 2 and 3.
I don't know where they are.
That's fine. That's fine.
I don't remember.
I bought the collector's edition for PS3 later.
Yeah, it's fine.
All on original hardware.
Oh, yes. This is actually playing...
Game.
We're playing this on an actual PS2.
With an actual PS2 controller. The original PS2 disc.
We sound like we're joking, but we're not.
Yeah.
Actually, it's through an upscaler into an Elgato game cap, so...
It takes so many wires.
Every wire.
All the wires.
I tripped on them once.
Oh, yeah. You
I pulled, like, everything off the desk.
Yeah, you almost turned it into a bit of a mess.
Yeah. Well, it's already a mess. I just almost
into...
broke everything.
Yeah, that's the more important part.
Oh, no, there's something wrong with that robot. I wonder what's... Oh, there it is.
It's not that there's something wrong with it. It was created by Mom.
Mom?
Yeah, Mom.
That's...
You know, from Futurama.
Yeah. What is that thing?
That's a infobot. Infobots have coordinates and tell you things. This one's telling Clank plot information.
And that big one's saying, fuck you, guy.
Yeah, that big one, his only job is to push buttons later. Fucker. And that ship, boy, we get that ship later.
Do you?
You know, the first time I played this game, I got stuck because I didn't know where to get the fucking pilot helm. And, like, when I played through it again, I was like, oh, I was just supposed to go down this path that I just straight didn't go down.
Well, yeah, but this is one of those games, like, when we tried to play Thai, I figured out that the camera controls in that are just kind of nuts.
Yeah, this is another one of those games where it's inverse. There's no strafing unless you have the jetpack, and even then, the strafing it doesn't work quite like you want it to because you can't jump while you're strafing in this game. You have to actually just aim. So it's going to be difficult, to say the least. It's missing quality of life issues.
Oh, yeah.
Missing. It has quality of life issues.
Welcome to the Gadgetron.
Welcome to Gadgetron, or whatever.
Let me double check a couple things first before we continue. Subtitles are on.
Okay, cool.
And the camera is fixed.
Why would you want that?
There.
Why do you want those things?
We are here to offer you advice.
Is everything the way you want it?
Yep. Cool. And it's not fast enough, actually.
Oh. Well, make sure you kill everything with your wrench.
Yep, you're right.
I gotta
smack it.
Because your name is Ratchet.
Haha! Those are the same, right?
Are they?
No.
No?
No.
What's a ratchet?
A ratchet is actually the
What's a ratchet? It's that on the screen right now. That Lombax.
It's that. The Lombax. That's right. We know what a Lombax is. A sci-fi alien species better than real life hardware.
True. Gamers, millennials. Whoa.
No, but a ratchet is the kind of wrench that's got like the socket on the end of it.
Oh, yeah,
It's usually called a socket wrench.
Yeah, I got it.
But I think it's also called a ratchet, I think. I mean, you can look it up and put it on the screen anyway. To prove me wrong, tell me that I'm a liar again. That'll always be fun.
No, I'll just put up Lombaxes.
Oh, okay. Lombaxes it is. Oh, I can't wait to be able to jump really, really far.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You have to wait until you get all that clipping. 2000, whatever, when this came out.
Oh, okay. Now that I remember where I'm going.
Start going places and doing things.
I had to push all the buttons before I did anything
all
else.
the buttons.
No, we're about to get real technical.
Sick, you fuck.
About to get real technical.
How are you going to do that? Are you going to bring out a map? You're going to tell me the sewer systems underneath my house?
Nope. We're just going to get real technical.
Have you seen a military map?
You mean a...
like a military grade like map of like a city?
Oh, of a city? No, I've seen them of landscapes because they use the same kind of geography landscapes.
Yeah, well, just military-grade maps are just incredibly hard to read. You have to actually be taught how to read them, and I don't know how to read them.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like reading blueprints.
Well, yeah, because it shows you everything that you would want to know, and it's all color-coded and shit. Like, it tells you where pipes and stuff are, where underground tunnels and stuff are, just everything.
Yeah, and that's cool.
It's cool, but I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at.
So then don't look at it.
I'm not gonna.
Don't look at it, you fuck.
Take it off screen. Oh, God.
Look at that, I don't need health. I got this.
Make sure you hit that square
button. In
button.
fact, I'm going to get skill points along the way that I remember to get.
Wait, what's a skill point? You got hit and you had
Shut
to
up,
get that
I
life.
have full health. You don't know.
Wait, skill points are those things that where you just do a challenge and you get like a like a bonus. Is there a completion bonus for this game?
Yes.
Did Gerard play this game?
God, I hope so. This game is so good.
It's a good one.
It's one of the goodest ones.
So what we need to do is we need to play this, and then we need to play the remake.
Well, yes. For contrast.
Yeah.
But we should also play 2 and 3 and Deadlocked.
I hope all of you guys like Ratchet and Clank, Kevin. I hope you like Ratchet and Clank, Kevin. And maybe Jason. Our 2 people.
I don't know. We got a lot of views on our Slayaway.
That was just from Bat Prince.
Well, thank you, Bat Prince.
Bat Prince. I don't know if you're still here or not. But thank you.
You did the thing, and it gave us the views, and it increased our popularity.
No, it did. It really didn't.
What?
We're
And
nobody
it increased
and
our
nothing.
popularity?
Our popularity?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I have been pooping more regularly, so. Thank you, Bat Prince. You've you gave me a lot of fiber. I don't know how. Through the power of the internet.
It was injected directly into your veins. It's like injecting heroin into the back of your eyeballs for the ultimate rush.
What? Wait, that's a Cards Against Humanity thing, right?
Yes, but it was a thing that Tim said before it was a Cards Against Humanity thing.
Wait, really?
What the fuck?
Is it a Cards
Why are they
Against Humanity?
triangulating me? Yes.
Did you say why are they triangulating you?
Yes.
Probably because they were meant to do that. Game design. People back in the day used to design games.
Well, yeah, but they designed them in a way for them to be difficult, but not intentionally difficult.
Well, no. That's like really old Super Nintendo games where they would just throw randomized enemies at you just to keep you playing the game.
Well, yeah, but then you end up with challenges that aren't the enemies that you're facing,
Stop
that are
being
the game that you're
sick.
playing. It's just my throat, dick.
Your throat has a dick in it?
Yeah.
Is it my dick?
No.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Not yet.
Are they gay? You'll never know!
Queer baiting.
Oops.
You bet. I built that
that
ship with my own 2 paws. Furry.
No, well, no. But he's got literal giant hands.
Yeah, but they...
Everyone's got giant hands.
Yes.
Everyone's got giant hands.
Yes. How else is he supposed to hold the giant wrench?
Mmm.
Also, incredibly long, I think they're called Yowie fingers.
What?
Like if you see particular, really old Yowie, manga art, their fingers are unreasonably long, like their palm is the size of like a baseball, and their fingers are like the size of rulers, like completely like 12-inch long fingers on a standard sized palm.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know why this happens. Like this is how like things get real out of proportion. There are certain manga that are just real out of proportion. Put one on screen.
Oh man.
It's not going to be hard to find one. Just actually
Google Yowie fingers.
No, well that, but also Google out of proportion manga, soccer manga in particular.
Soccer?
Yes. There is a soccer manga.
A soccer manga?
A soccer manga with real bad proportions. Real bad proportions.
Is it called Haikyuu or whatever?
Fuck you! No!
Look at you dumb little nerd with your sports anime.
I love sports anime.
Get with the times and
it
watch.
It makes me like a jerd.
No, get
or
with
a knock.
A gurgurd. Get with the times and watch the good ones with the swords and the magic.
No.
You say Inuyasha is just DBZ for girls?
Even if I wanted to,
I
I'm missing
think DBZ is DBZ for girls.
I think DBZ is just DBZ for everyone.
Well, yes,
And I think
especially newer
Inuyasha is just
DBZ, where they have like Videl, I think.
Videl
who has-
Castro. Her name is actually Devil.
Her daughter.
No. It's Mr. Satan had the devil as a daughter.
wherever it is. And you
Because her name, Videl, is devil. Mixed
Yeah,
around.
yes, but then what about Mr. Satan?
What about him?
What's his actual name?
Mr. Satan.
Hercule.
No.
His name is Hercule.
No, Hercule is the American one. Mr. Satan is the Japanese version.
Is his name actually Mr. Satan?
Pretty sure, yeah.
I thought it. What?
Yeah. Hercule was the Americanized one. Or the Englishnized, or the Europeanized, or whatever the fuck.